Good evening, Ms. Keenan. This is Amanda Johnson. I'm here to introduce to you our group presentation. Our website evaluation is on Delaware State Police. We have 4 different members in our group, so we decided to do our website evaluation on a website that was involved with one of our career paths. Mike is in school for law enforcement, so we decided to evaluate dsp.delaware.gov, which is the Delaware State Police website. As we all know, the Delaware State Police are here to protect, to serve, to honor, to obey, to do whatever they need to do to make sure that our communities are safe. So we decided to just evaluate this website to determine its effectiveness, how valid, how real, and how concise the information is. As far as accuracy is concerned, we do believe that the website is pretty accurate in the information that it provides. To be able to contact someone in regards to the content of the web page, there was a contact tab. The one opportunity that we did agree on was that the website didn't state who was responsible for the information that was published. We know that when we're looking for different credible sources for things, as far as like school projects are concerned, like this one, or papers that we write, we want to make sure that the authors or the publisher's information is there, just so that we can verify their credentials. And that kind of takes me into our next slide, authority of web documents, because one of the things that it talks about with the authority of web documents is, are the authors or the publishers' credentials published? And in this case, the answer is no. But we do find that there was authority of the web documents or the information provided, because this is a .gov domain, so we know that this is a credible source for the Delaware State Police. And again, just to reiterate that while it is a credible source for the Delaware State Police, they had a greater opportunity to provide validity and authority of web documents by providing more information and details on those who published information on the site. As far as the objectivity is concerned, we know that this information or the details of this website was there to inform those. And it was very informative, very straight to the point. Information provided was easy to read and understood. They had many different tabs, as shown here in the presentation: troop locations, reports and stats, career information, different locations for the troops, if I didn't already say that, sorry. Where to do fingerprinting and background checks. There was many other things there as well, community outreach, different things of that nature. So they did a wonderful job with providing objective information for the audience.